A very good evening. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Inspectorate Education team of Chile conducted the online launch of the website School at a Distance Aid Center, a new platform for teaching support during the afternoon of Thursday, October 15, 2020. He is 20 years old and has a talent for music. He was selected along with 99 other envoys to take to the networks and make them an instrument of evangelization. Music has always been something that has characterized me, a channel to transmit my feelings in a harmonious and melodic way, putting my gift at the service of others. Speaking is Nicolas Narvaez, a young man from Salesian circles who participated in the Catholic musical reality show Enviados and who won a place among the top 100 of the 1,400 participants. Father Stefano Vanoli, a Lombard Salesian born in 1968, has been the Secretary of the General Council since 2015 and at the 28th General Chapter he was its regulator. Today he talks a little about himself and his post. The Salesian Institute San Giuseppe of Macerata in the circumscription of Central Italy (ICC) celebrates its 130 years this 2020. In fact, the motto that guides the celebratory initiative is 2020 equal to 130. The house was inaugurated on 4th November 1980 and now, after a year of preparations, Salesian and young people together are now preparing to celebrate this simple and complex anniversary with a week of events, simple in the desire to thank the Lord for the gift of Don Bosco and his charism, complex for the current world situation before which, however, one does not want to remain exclusively passive. In order to raise funds for the social actions of the Salesian province of Porto Alegre (BPA), the Churrasco Solidario event was held at the Centro Educacional Don Bosco. The action took place with the motto Creativity and Audacity, motivated by Father Renato dos Santos to activate the solidarity of people. In just one day, 4,000 portions of churrasco, a typical dish of the southern region of Brazil, which consists of a mixed grill of various types of meat, was sold and served. The action involved the coordination of pastoral care volunteers from the Santo Antonio parish and educators from the Centro Educacional Don Bosco. On 28 and 29 October, the 33rd Assembly of the National Council for Salesian Education (CONESA), the Guidance, Reflection and Assistance Body for Salesian School Centers (CES), took place online. The Ordinary Assembly was held with the aim of addressing some specific points: formation, Salesian identity, the challenges of Salesian education and the answers to be given, resilience in necessary practice in times of pandemic, the presentation of the challenges in committee work and the evaluation of the work carried out in the face of the emergency. The event, which began with the greeting of the Provincial of Ecuador (ECU), Father Francisco Sanchez, was attended by about 70 people, including the President of the CONTSA, Father Vladimir Acosta, the members of the Board of Directors, SDB Rectors, the Provincial Delegate for Vocation and Mission Animation, the Provincial Delegate for Social Communication, the Rectors and Vice Rectors of CES, pastoral animators, delegates of the Salesian Polytechnic University, and the young people who make up the directory of the Salesian students. The Chevroi Hills Indigenous Development Institute (SDDI), animated by the Salesian Retreat House in Yokot, Salesian Province of Trichy (INT), decided to conduct a survey to learn about the psychological condition of women in the current context, also with the help of the last year students of the Master in Social Services of the Sacred Heart Institute of Tirupattur. The survey involved a sample of 100 women and revealed that their mental health is a major concern, aggravated by hunger and domestic violence. Although the survey is still ongoing, the Salesian Retreat has decided to immediately start a psychological support program for 20 of them. The day was full of activities with moments of sharing, building the self-help group in their neighborhood and nature walks. More than 70 local delegates for social communication of the Salesian presences in Spain participated on 21st October in the formation course Designing Communication Strategy and Planning. Communication in the time of COVID, to adapt the communication of the Salesian houses and entities to this new context. Among the various aspects addressed, the importance of a communication plan was highlighted, which details the steps to develop, taking into account the public of the Salesian institutions or schools, the channels chosen, placing special interest in indicating a general objective, specific actions, all within the time schedule. In addition, the importance of determining emergency and crisis plans were discussed, emphasizing that when communicating, it must be ensured that information reaches and is understood by the entire educational community. And 5 objectives were identified when communicating in a scenario such as the current COVID-19 context. On 29 October, on the occasion of the memory of Blessed Michael Rua, the installation of the new superior of the Blessed Philip Rinaldi Vice Province of Papua New Guinea was celebrated in the Archdiocesan Shrine of Mary Help of Christians and Solomon Islands PGS. Father Gregorio Bicomong Jr., the Eucharist was presided over by Monsignor Pedro Baquero, SDB, Bishop of Kerema, and Father Alfred Maravilla, General Counsellor for the Missions, who gave the homily and presided over the installation. International Salesian Solidarity versus COVID-19. Young Salesians information in Vietnam have made their home a heaven on earth. Listen to them how they help others to fight the common enemy, the COVID-19.
One who can make a heaven on earth won't find heaven in heaven. One who can make a heaven on earth won't find heaven in heaven. Count your blessings, feel the love. You're in heaven with family. Count your friends, both new and old. And sense you need one who can make a heaven on earth won't find heaven in heaven. One who can make a heaven on earth won't find heaven in heaven. Laugh and sing and dance in joy. This is the Lord's day, as every day. Don't boast, go with us. And Mary too, we'd make heaven right here and now. One who can make a heaven on earth won't find heaven in heaven. One who can make a heaven on earth won't find heaven in heaven. I have all I need and some to share. We are in heaven, right there on earth. We'll find heaven in heaven above. Be happy, don't worry. Be happy every time. One who can make a heaven on earth won't find heaven in heaven. One who can make a heaven on earth won't find heaven in heaven. One who can make a heaven on earth won't find heaven.
So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Thank you for joining us.